Good afternoon, my dear children.
Good
Hello.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all. How are
Good
you?
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Very fine, ma'am.
Okay, all of you are ready with your exam?
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Fully set for exam? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you will be scoring full marks, right?
Yes.
Will you? Okay, do everything carefully. You have to keep your mic on, video on, and you should share your screen. You know everything, right? Hmm? Okay. So you have 5 more minutes for exam. If you want to go through any, just look at last look. If you want, you can do that. Or if you are all done, you can just close your books and just keep what, just calm your mind and sit simply. If you want, all of you can keep a water bottle, and all with you. Or if you want to go washroom, you can go now. Okay, don't go between exams. Okay, everyone. So you can keep a water bottle. So you don't want to move anywhere to drink water. Okay. Hi, ma'am.
Ah, oh shit.
Ma'am, did it start?
No, dear. We have 4 more minutes for starting. Okay. Now I think all of you can go to your classroom, your G3A math, and there you can see under term exam there will be term 1 exam. You can open that and you can join in quizzes. Okay. All of you please turn your video on, keep your mic on. You should share your screen and write the exam. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Is it good morning now? Good afternoon, Hawa. Okay. So do carefully, don't get panic. Okay.
Good
Take your
afternoon.
time and do it slowly and carefully without making any mistakes. Hawa, please turn on your video. All of you can go to your classroom, G4M, G3M math.
G3.
It has not started yet. It will be starting after everybody joining. Okay.
Ma'am, how do I take the quiz?
You can get it from your G3M math classroom under term exam. There will be term 1 exam. You can see like what Azil is presenting. Abdullah Arfan is also presenting the
Ma'am,
screen, right?
for me, it's showing start game. Can I start? Ma'am, did we
No, no,
need
no,
to
no.
share? Ma'am, did we need to share this?
Yes, yes, you have to share your screen. Azil, are you presenting your screen?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to start it now, okay?
Ma'am, can I off the presentation?
You have to present it.
Write in Word and the smallest number that ಅದು close ಇದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ small very choosy
Abdullah Arfan, please present the quizzes screen. You have to, everyone have to present the entire screen, okay? Abdullah Arfan, please present the entire screen. I cannot see your quizzes screen. Hawa, please turn on your audio.
One, two, three, 7, 9. Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes,
how do I do the first question?
you have to convert 2 minutes 15 seconds into seconds. You just type it there. 2 minutes 15 seconds. You have to convert
No,
2
the
minutes
first
15
question.
seconds. 1 second, 1 second. Fifth question. Yeah, you have to write what is the sixth number in that pattern.
Yeah, there is only one drop.
Yeah, that is enough for that.
They didn't write the negative answer, so how can we write it?
If you have any confusion with that, you can just write in a notebook and then you can just submit it in the classroom. Okay. Just write the question number and then submit it. Read the question twice before writing the answers, everyone. Do it carefully. Abdullah, you are not yet started. Any trouble in doing that, Abdullah?
And I'm starting.
Yes, who were calling me?
Can
Hawa?
I
Yes.
write it in the
Yes,
notebook?
Aini. Yes, you can write in your notebook and then you
And I'm
can
starting.
submit it in the classwork, okay?
I am starting.
Okay, make it fast, Abdullah. What is the problem in joining?
Mom, I have started.
But, but I cannot see your screen. You're doing it. Just sign in with Google. Click on continue with Google. Continue with Google.
Which number should I put in the quizzes?
You can put the question number, dear. Abdullah, have you started?
Ma'am, I'm Ma'am, do I need to?
Yes, dear. Tanas, what are we asking?
Ma'am, my screen is presenting.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Tanas, I can see your screen. Go to quizzes. Don't want to come here, okay? If you have any trouble in doing in the quizzes, you can do it in your notebook and then write the question number and submit it in the classwork, okay?
hello, ma'am.
Yes, Arav, how were you? Forgot about the
Ma'am,
exam.
I would had some internet issues, ma'am.
Okay, dear. So you can go to your classwork. There you can see term exams. Under
Okay,
term
I
exam, you
see.
can see term
Question
1
answer
exam
should we
and then
skip?
join in that quizzes. Yes,
Ma'am,
Tanas. Yes,
the
Amna.
fifth question, should we skip the question?
For the fifth question, just put a dot there.
Ma'am, I wrote the number 5.
Okay, okay.
The question number I wrote.
Okay, okay. It's okay. You will be submitting it in classwork, right?
I did it in notebook. And
Yeah,
question number I
that you can submit it in classwork, okay?
number in sixth.
Arav, you found it?
Yes.
You have to keep your video on, audio on, and you have to share your screen too.
Ma'am, moderator, am I allowed to bring my notebook for writing down the
Yes,
notes?
yes, yes. You can keep your notebook and a pencil with you, so you can write down it in the notebook and then you can submit it in the classwork. Okay. If you have trouble writing in the quizzes, you can do it in your notebook and then put the correct question number while writing like that. Okay. Don't get panic. You can take your time. Do carefully without making any mistakes. Okay. Don't make careless mistakes. Arav, you there?
Yeah.
Present your screen, dear. Present your quizzes entire screen.
Okay.
Present your entire screen and do it. Did you started doing?
Yes, I will.
Abdullah, I cannot find your screen here. Abdullah. Abdullah, can you hear me?
Yes.
I cannot find your screen, dear. Why are you not presenting? Please present your entire screen, Abdullah. Arav, do it carefully without making any mistakes, okay? Don't guess and put the answers. Think well and write the answers. Arav, do it carefully, okay? Think well and Write the answers, everyone, please.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what do we have to
There
do?
we can do upload
Ma'am, what do we have to
question
do
number
for?
4.
Ma'am, what
Yes,
do we have
Sarah,
to
I can hear you. Please repeat.
what do we have to do for fourth question?
For this question, you can draw it in your notebook and then submit it in the classwork at last, okay?
Ma'am,
So, ma'am, can I do this one after I finish all of the
ma'am,
questions?
ma'am, can I
Yes, you
skip
can
one
write
question?
there. You can write there. It's there in the classwork. Submitted in the classwork. You can write that, okay? You can do this question now itself.
I have to do it now or can I do it after?
Yes, yes, you can skip the questions and do it afterwards. If you are writing now, submit it in the classwork, then you can do.
No, ma'am, after I finish all 18 questions, I will do it. That is what I will
Will
do.
you remember the question? You already submitted that question, right?
I
How will
remember
you
the
get the?
question. I remember the question.
I think you can do it now. Otherwise, you'll forget it about that question. Write the question number 4 and write it in the notebook now itself. Otherwise, you'll forget it.
But ma'am, how I already clicked the submit button.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can just
So
write.
I can redo it once till I skipped a question. I can
No, no, no.
redo
That
it.
is what I was saying. You just do it now itself. You remember the
Huh?
question, right?
Yes.
Yeah, then do it the now itself. What you have to do, draw the next pattern now itself, and then you can go for the next question.
Write in figures number 52,604.
Zero.
50,000.
Abdullah, are you doing? Do you want any help, Abdullah?
Ma'am,
In which question are you now?
ma'am,
Yes,
can I,
Sana.
ma'am, in the 11th question, there is no 52.
In the 11, in the 9, which
In
question,
the
dear?
11th question.
Yeah, in the 11th question. You
There
don't
is
want
no
to come to meet. You don't want to come to meet. You can ask questions from there itself. Okay, stay in quizzes itself. Don't want to come to meet. Yeah, in the 11th question, what is your doubt? You have to write it in the
there is
figures.
no 52. Ma'am,
Yes.
in the 11th question, 52,000. But there is no.
Yes.
Four,
So how should I do?
Sorry, that will be a mistake.
2,
Okay, just select something.
8.
Okay, just select anything, dear.
Okay. Ma'am, I did it, but can I upload it after I do all of
Yes,
this?
yes, yes. You can upload it afterwards.
Okay.
Upload it together. Okay.
Complete the place value diagram.
What is the value of diet line?
Write the next term of each sequence.
9,000. Then 200.
Yes, Aini.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear. Aini,
ma'am,
come on. Aini, I can hear you. Please say. Hello, Aini. Can you hear me?
hi. Oh,
In the 11th question,
Yes, dear. That is
there
a
is no
question.
answer.
That's a mistake in the question. You can select anything. Okay. It will be right answer
Ma'am,
for
can
you.
I write the answer?
Yes, yes, yes. You can write the question number and write the answer in your notebook.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Nana. Yes.
in the 13th question, multiply by 3, but there is no question.
What is this? What
Ma'am,
is that, dear?
ma'am, in the 13th question, ma'am, multiply by 3, but there is no what sequence. There is no sequence.
Yes. 1 second.
So
Okay.
what do you do?
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Just select anything, dear. Just select anything. My God.
What, ma'am?
I'll just say the question. You can just select anything. Okay.
Okay.
ഇത് കൊടുക്കുന്ന 8.
2 digital clocks രണ്ടെണ്ണം കാണിക്കണം. രണ്ട് ആൻസർ ഉണ്ട്.
Write the missing number. 3 minutes dash.
ഫിഫ്റ്റി ടു തൗസൻഡ് സിക്സ് ഹൺഡ്രഡ് എഴുത്
52,000. എന്തോ ഓപ്ഷൻ അടിച്ചെന്തോ
ഞാൻ
മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് ആണ്. 50,000 ആണ് 52,000 ആണ്.
Devarajan, you can write the question number and write it in notebook and submit it in classwork, okay?
And
Yes, dear.
question number
Devarajan.
11, there is mistake.
Yes, dear. You can write the correct answer in the notebook and submit, okay?
ഓക്കെ നോട്ട്ബുക്ക് എഴുതിയിട്ട് സമയം. ഏതാ വേഴ്സ് വായില്
Ma'am, can I skip the question?
Yes, that question you can skip. You can write the correct answer in the notebook and then submit it, okay? Put the question number correctly.
നീലവെണ്ണം പറഞ്ഞ് എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട് അവിടെ അല്ല.
Look at this. The number that by to A, B,
എന്നാ എത്ര
Ma'am, I'm done. I got 86%, ma'am.
Okay, dear. So you're done.
Yes.
You can submit whatever you written in the notebook. You can submit it in the classwork, okay? And then you can leave. After submitting and turning in, you can leave.
അത്താ തന്നെ വിട്ടു
അവിടെ 1,000. Ah, 1,900. 1,900.
നിങ്ങളുടെ നല്ലതിന്റെ അഞ്ച് കൂട്ടി കൂട്ടി കൈ ഒരച്ചലാണ്.
Five, eight, dot, 12, comma, 11.
എഴുതലാ
Ma'am, the last question I am doing in the notebook.
Okay.
the digital clock.
There you can write submitted in classroom, okay?
Eleven, 10, 10 കൊടുക്കാം.
Okay, those who are done can submit it, okay?
Ma'am, I am uploading the last question. I am writing
Okay, Amna, if you done everything, you can leave.
And the last question I am doing the doing in the notebook. I'm
Yes,
writing the
Adil.
responses so done. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
20 past 11 in the morning. Ma'am, I'm done submitting.
Yes, okay, dear. Those who done submitting, you can leave.
ചോദ്യം
However, you should turn on your audio. Why did you turn it off?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Hava.
how to where
Ma'am,
we will
what
upload
can
the
I do
picture?
in the
You can
question?
upload it in the classroom.
13C. Minus 20.
There is an option for submitting in quizzes itself. If you can do in that, it's okay. Or you can do you, if you're having trouble, you can submit it in classwork.
Ma'am, I'm done submitting,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
question
Okay,
number.
Amina, you can leave. If you submitted, you
Ma'am,
can leave.
question number C, what I can do?
13C.
No. Question number 13C, what I can do, ma'am?
Question number 13C. Yeah, you can just select anything, dear. It's multiplied by 3. That was also a question
Ma'am,
mistake.
there is 3 multiple.
Yes, just select anything, dear. Just select anything. That will be a right answer for you. It's a
Okay,
question
ma'am.
mistake.
Any number.
കോളേജ് ഓഫ് കഴിഞ്ഞു
Ma'am, I completed and I got 90%.
Okay, very good, Azil. Did you
Ma'am,
submit it in quiz? I mean classroom. Okay.
yeah.
Whatever you
Ma'am,
done in notebook, you can submit it in
I need
classwork.
to take the mail, so I have to leave the class. I mean the class.
I didn't get you. What, Azil?
To upload in the classroom, I have to leave from the class
Why?
because I need to take from the mail. Mail
That
will
you
be
can
uploading.
take by while attending the class, right?
When I take the photo will be in my mail, so I have to take the photo from the mail and upload to the classroom. So I have to
Okay,
leave.
that you can do without what leaving from the meeting, right?
Okay.
Don't leave. After submitting only you have to leave. You should leave.
Ma'am, I am done.
Okay, those who done can submit it in classwork. Okay, whatever you have written in the notebook, you can submit it in classwork. Arav, think well and write the answers.
പ്രൊമോട്ട് ചെയ്തു നോക്കണ പോയിന്റ് ചെയ്തു
See, ma'am, I'm done. Should I upload it?
Yes, yes. Whatever you done in notebook, you can upload it.
11. But ma'am, I have to leave for that. No. I have to go to my camera, but if I go to my camera, it will make me leave.
I didn't get you.
I
You
have
can
to
take it.
leave.
You can take it from the phone, right?
I will do with my camera.
What about you? Five.
No cooking.
First 5. ഇവിടെ
ഇത് small ചെയ്താ.
ഇത്
ചെയ്തങ്ങോട്ട്
Sign ഉണ്ടത് നമ്പറിൽ നോക്കിട്ട്.
can we leave now?
Yes, Azal.
ഇത്
You
കുട്ടിക്ക്
turned
പറ്റില്ല.
right. You turned in right. Azal.
Just a second, let me see.
കറക്റ്റാണോ?
Yes,
അപ്പൊല്ലാം പഠിച്ചില്ലേ?
I'm done.
Okay.
This
ആ പേജിന്റെ ബാക്കി
ഇതിനകത്ത് എവിടെ വരും
പുറത്ത് അതിന്റെ പുറത്ത് വരച്ചൂടെ?
Ma'am, I'm done, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Those who done can submit it in the classwork. After submitting in the classwork, please turn in, and after that only you can leave. Yes.
Ma'am, Ma'am, I am done. Can I leave?
Yes, Azal.
എനിക്കറിയത്തില്ല വേണം
Huh?
Yes, yes,
ma'am,
you can
ma'am,
leave.
I'm done.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Bye,
Have a
dear.
nice day.
ma'am,
Thank you. Bye bye.
ma'am,
Ma'am, I'm done.
ma'am,
Abdullah, did you done submitting in the classwork? Whatever you written in the notebook, please submit in the classwork.
ma'am.
Yes, Aini.
I have to answer the skipped questions,
Yeah.
but there's no correct answer.
Yes, you can write the correct answer in your notebook. Write the question number and then write the correct answer in the notebook and then submit it in the
Yes,
classwork.
ma'am, but I have to answer the skipped questions at the end.
Yeah. You just select anything here,
എനിക്കറിയില്ല
but you have to write the correct answer in the notebook, okay?
So I'll just put one here and I will upload the correct answer.
Yes,
right?
yes. That's it.
പേര് വെച്ച് വരയ്ക്കും മോനെ
Game and segment.
Abdullah, what are you doing?
എല്ലാം അതിന്റെ ചെയ്തിട്ടായിരുന്നു.
I don't know submit.
Please submit it. Please submit it in the classwork, okay? Did you written anything in the notebook?
Yes.
Okay, then that you can submit in the classwork. You can take photo from the phone and then upload it and then submit it in the classwork. Tanaz, you done?
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm sending it.
Okay.
എനിക്ക് വരാം Maggie third.
ട്രയാങ്കിളിൽ നിന്ന് അടിച്ചുകൂടി.
Yeah.
അത്
Yes.
3 ലൈൻ വെച്ചൂടെ? 3 കോൺട്രാ ലൈൻ സിമെട്രി അല്ലേ?
Isosceles. Isosceles.
ആ ഇക്വിലാറ്ററലാണ്.
Yeah.
And there are some calculations are there. That's also I need to send.
Yes, yes. Send everything that you written in the notebook.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
I am going to go take a photo.
Okay.
ഈ കണ്ടോ?
Ma'am, can I off my presentation?
Yes, did you submit it?
After
Submitting, you can. Yes, after submitting, you can turn off the presentation.
അതിൽ കണ്ടേ എല്ലാ ഓഫീസിൽ നിന്നും ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന സിമെട്രി. എന്താ ചേരാ പോയ അതിന്റെ കൂടെ?
പരീക്ഷ മര്യാദ വരും കേട്ടോ.
Devdatan,
Yeah.
what are you doing? Is everything okay?
No, I am writing in the last question.
അതേതാ? ഏതാ? നേരെ വെച്ചുകൂടാ സ്കെയിൽ. അവൻ വെച്ച നേരെ ഇരിക്കത്തില്ല. റെഗുലർ ഷേപ്പില്ല. പല സൈഡ് മനുഷ്യ വരത്തില്ല. റെഗുലർ പോളിയോ വായിച്ചു കൊടുത്തത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സിമെട്രി ആയിരിക്കില്ല. ഇത് തന്നെ കാണുന്ന വെച്ചാൽ എല്ലാ സൈസും ഈക്വലാക്കി വെച്ച് പോളിയോ വായിച്ചു കൊടുക്കും. സ്ക്വയറിനകത്തുള്ള എങ്ങനെ സിമെട്രി വായിച്ചു? 1 2 6 വായിച്ചില്ല. ട്രയാങ്കിൾ വായിച്ചു 1 2 3.
Devdatan, are you submitting? I cannot see you submitting. I said you to share your entire screen, right? I'm sorry. I called actually Abdullah. Abdullah, please share your entire screen. Then only I can see your screen, right?
Ma'am, can I stop sharing?
Did you submit it, Aini? You are also not presenting the entire screen. Please present your entire screen.
My mobile is not working.
What,
Ma'am,
Abdullah?
I am presenting the quizzes.
My mobile is not working.
Mobile is not working. What?
Ma'am, can I send you?
I didn't get you, Abdullah.
Ma'am, can I send you?
No, you have to upload it in the classroom. Do you find term 1 exam there? There you have to upload it, okay?
ഈ കൊച്ചിനെ വിളിച്ചു
Tanaz, any trouble in uploading?
എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് പുറത്ത് പോട്ടുന്നതാണ്.
Aini,
No,
please
ma'am.
press into your entire screen, Aini.
I'm uploading. Ma'am, I'm having trouble. Uploading. Uploading.
Trouble in uploading.
What?
Why?
Ma'am, I'm not accepting my entire
While I'm
screen
working.
because right now I am taking the photo from my mail.
Ah, okay. That also you can show. Okay.
ഒന്നും എല്ലാവരും ടെസ്റ്റ് കൂടെ പോയില്ലേ?
അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യണം. അവിടെ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
Ma'am, I'm learning, ma'am.
Turned in.
Yes.
Okay, Tanaz, then you can leave.
Okay, 1 minute, ma'am.
ഞാനിവിടെ
Bye bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye, dear. Take care. Prepare well for the next exam, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.
എഴുതുക.
No.
ഇല്ല. ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. പിന്നെ അത് പക്ഷേ എക്സാമിന് അതിനകത്ത് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്യണ്ടേ?
എല്ലാ സെന്റ് ചെയ്തത് നേരത്തെ നമുക്ക് എന്താണ് ഒരുമിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.
പക്ഷെ ഇതിനകത്ത് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല.
വിദ്യ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ലാസ്റ്റ് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു വരെ എടുത്തില്ല.
Abdullah, what are you doing?
I'm uploading.
Okay, okay, dear.
Uploading.
അതുകൊണ്ടല്ലോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇതോടെ വന്നില്ലേ? വേറെ ഒന്നുമില്ല. ഞാൻ റിവ്യൂ
19 ദിവസത്തിനുള്ളിൽ 76 പേജ് ഓൺലൈനല്ലേ?
Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, I'm done.
You're done submitting.
Ma'am, I'm done.
You're done submitting, dear. Did you
Yes.
turned in? Did you turned in?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay. Now you can move on. You
Okay.
can leave.
Can I leave? I finished turning in.
Okay, dear.
Until
That's it. You
അവിടുത്തെ
can leave.
പോയത് അപ്പനോട്
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
മുകളിൽ തന്നെ ഇൻഡോസ് അവിടെ തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ.
സ്ലോ ആണോ
റെഡ് ആപ്പ് ഓപ്പൺ ആക്കിയിട്ടേക്കുള്ളൂ.
ഉണ്ടാവും
നോക്കുമ്പോൾ
ക്ലാസ് വർക്കാ അതൊന്നുമില്ല
ഇല്ലേ?
ഇല്ല
അപ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ കിടന്നുണ്ട് ഒരു ഷോട്ട്. അത് ചെയ്യും.
I'm any trouble in uploading?
സെൻഡ് ആവുന്നല്ലേ ഉള്ളൂ.
എൻ്റെ പേര് പോവാ സെൻറ്റാവില്ല എന്തിനാ
എന്താണ്?
അടുത്ത ദിവസം ചെയ്യാം അത് ക്ലാസ് വർക്ക് ഒരു അൺസെൻറ്റ്
മറ്റേത് ലാസ്റ്റ് രണ്ടാമത് മനസ്സില്ല.
നെറ്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല
എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ ഫോൺ?
സബ്മിറ്റിൻ്റെ ലാസ്റ്റ് എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ് വർക്ക്
കഴിഞ്ഞു. അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ പക്ഷേ.
ഇല്ല അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ റൈറ്റ് ഇൻ ഫിഗേഴ്സ് ദ നമ്പർ 52,604
ഇതെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ എഴുതിയത്.
സ്കിപ്പ് പോയ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ അല്ലേ
ഇപ്പായ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആണ് ആ കാണിച്ചത്.
Ma'am, just select anything and you written the correct answer in the notebook, right?
ആൻസർ കൊടുക്കട്ടെ.
ചോദിച്ചേ
Ma'am, you written the correct answer in the notebook, right?
യെസ്
Hello? Okay, then
Yes,
just
ma'am.
select anything here. No problem.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ
നമ്മളുടെ പൈസ എടുക്കുന്നത്
എന്നാ ഇവിടെ വന്നിരിക്കും ഒന്നുമില്ല
അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തു.
ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ ഏതാ
ഉം? മറ്റേത് സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്.
ആ സബ്മിറ്റ്
ഇതേ
അങ്ങോട്ട്
കുട്ടി കുട്ടി ഏതാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ? നല്ലൂടെ എന്താ വേണ്ടത്? അത് പോയി. വേറൊന്നുമില്ലല്ലോ.
ഇല്ല. ഓഫ്ലൈൻ ആണോ?
ഏത്?
സെൻഡ് ചെയ്തോ?
പിന്നെന്താ?
Bye.
എന്തായാലും ഇല്ലല്ലോ.
ഇല്ല.
അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യണം.
അങ്ങനെ കളിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
നീ ഡേറ്റ നോക്കിയത് അപ്ലോഡ് ആവുന്നതിന് സെൻഡായി.
വരുന്നില്ല.
വരും. വന്നല്ലോ.
വരാവുന്ന
കിട്ടില്ല.
പിള്ളേ
ആൾക്കാർക്ക് ഇത്രയും പ്രാധാന്യം ആൾക്കാർ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നതിനേക്കാൾ കഷ്ടം. 3 days offer 50% അതല്ലേ? Browse. എവിടെ? ആ ഡയലോഗ് ബോക്സ് ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്തി. മതി കുട്ടിക്കുന്നു. ഓർഡർ മന്തി കൊടുത്തത് ഇട്ടിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ അതിന്. വേറെ നേരത്തെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്തത്. നീ വാട്സാപ്പിന്റെ ബാക്ക് ഭാഗത്ത് എടുത്തേക്കുന്നത് പിന്നെന്താ അത്ര ഫുള്ളായത്? ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്തല്ല അതിൽ അത് മേലത് പഴയതെല്ലാം എടുത്ത് കളയണം.
You done everything?
എന്താ
Marking as done, ma'am. Sorry, here a little delay for network. That's
Okay,
why.
okay. You can take your time. No problem.
Turn.
Hello.
Submit.
Ma'am, submit ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Okay, dear. Now you can leave. How was the exam?
Thank you.
Was
Thank
it
you.
good? Was it good, dear?
Yes, Farah.
Yes.
Okay. Study well for the next
Thank
exam. Okay, bye. Have
Bye.
a great day, dear. Now you can leave.